gon' bust out the meter. I'm dripping water, nigga, Aquafina. Then that bitch Kevin if she think I need her. Hit her one time and then I gotta leave her. I'm a real street nigga, gotta keep it a right with my people. Turn the whole squad to bosses. I can't be kicking shit like I'm a dealer.
So, hey guys, it's Jasmyn Monet, and this video I'm going to be doing an updated edge tutorial because my last one was bad. I know it was bad. So this one's a lot better, and every day I'm getting better. So, but yeah, this one's better, and it's not this because it's pre-recorded from a last video, but I just decided to make it into a new video. You see what I'm saying? You'll see. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and yeah, hope you learned something. All right, first gonna start off with some Eco Styler, and my edge is already pulled down, so I'm gonna start with the side first because I have the mirror right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and all right, so right here I'm basically just putting gel on my edges, and we're gonna be doing a swooping motion basically. And I'll bring it down in the middle for the middle swoop. Adding gel, same gel as the other one, and now we're going to swoop up and make sure that you use your finger to kind of keep it in place. And now I'm doing the same thing to the other side, putting gel on it, and then I'm gonna get only half because I'm gonna use the rest of that hair to do the little S one, the S edge thing. So make sure that you keep that part out. And now I'm doing the S. See, it's like I'm going down and then I'm swooping it up to make it kind of like the little swoop little thing. And now I'm doing the same thing to the other side. Putting gel on the top, and then I'm going to be swooping, going down and then moving it around. Now I'm just fixing it up, and that's kind of what I did the first time. So if you couldn't really see, it's kind of, you can see it a little bit better. Now I'm just, doing some quick touch-ups. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something. And if you learn how to slay them edges, girl, comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, because if you haven't subscribed, what are you doing? You already know we popping around here. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. And you already know I got to do my positive comment shout out. So today's positive shout out goes to Melanie Clark. And she said, "Slay Hunty" with a red heart. And so yeah, shout out to you, girl. I love you so much. Mwah. And yeah, I already said this, but subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like and comment and follow all my social medias. They'll be at the end and they're at the beginning of this video. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one.
I'm the middleman. Walk talking like a boss, I just lift a hand. 3 million cash, call me Rain Man. Money like a shower, that's my rain dance. And we all in black like it's gangland. Say the wrong words, you be hangman.